Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can put camera and flashlight on the lock screen. See here, uh, this is on the always on display, right? When you tap on this you will see usually lock screen. For those who don't keep always on display, which shows up like this, they'll directly have this lock screen. So I'll tell you how you can keep. See, for example, now I have just the flashlight on both the sides. See, right, right from the lock screen only I can just put on the flashlight and turn off the flashlight. So in order to customize this, first of all enter the lock screen. Okay, now press and hold for few seconds. You will see this option, customize lock screen. First of all, this is on the nothing mobile and this is on the Motorola mobile. Now unlock with your finger or your phone password. So now you can see here, instead of that glyph camera, glyph torch, I'll be using camera. And if there is something to save here, I'll be saving, but there is no say. Here it is the option like done here, so I'll be clicking on done. So I'll try to lock the screen, and now I'll have the camera access and the flashlight. So yeah, long press will turn on the flashlight and long press will open the camera. I'll be turning off this. Coming to the Motorola, press and hold for few seconds on the lock screen, click on the customize, and now you need to unlock your mobile once. Sorry, and here just tap on this and choose the camera, and is there anything to save here? Click on the back button. Here click on the back button. So this is auto save, there is no option like done here. See the camera option. What if this long press don't work for you? You can directly go to your phone settings instead and click on the customization here, then go to the lock screen which appears, tap on this, and now you can customize whichever you want. And coming to the Motorola, and this works on any other Android mobile. Okay, click on the Android phone settings, then search for something like personalize home screen and lock screen, and lock screen, and where is this, customize lock screen, and simple. So if you feel this is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.